How to transfer Coinbase to Bybit. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to transfer your Coinbase to Bybit. So first thing first, just open up your Coinbase account from any of your browser, and once you open the homepage you can just head over to this My Asset section after successfully signing to your account. So once inside of My Asset, you should see all of your assets such as Ethereum or Tether. So for now I'll be simply using Ethereum, and click on this send and receive at the top of your navigation bar, and just head over to bybit.com. And once inside here, make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now simply select on asset and then select funding account inside the asset, and from over here you can just choose the Ethereum because we just selected Ethereum. If you have chosen any other, you can choose accordingly, and just click on deposit. And from over here you can just fill out all of the details and just click on confirm, and just copy the Ethereum address and paste it over here at the Coinbase, just like this, under this to section. And make sure you have selected this USD to Ethereum, that is ETH, and just click on send all after entering the desired amount. So make sure you have selected network as Ethereum, and just click on send now after filling out all of your details. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.